So check out, pretty cool. Hold the plan right here and just make a kick throw. This is a gliding plane, so don't expect us to fly very far. As we host at this angle, it's just fly around. This is a stunt and gliding plane. This won't fly far. That's a very nice looking plane. So we host right here and throw it straight. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. This paper airplane is a new design, and I hope that you guys will enjoy making the plane along with me. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of your letter side paper. If you don't have your letter side paper, use A4 paper and it should work as well. First step, let me flatten the paper down, and then I'll fold the paper in half. Alright, so on the following step, let's unfold the paper and flatten it down again. Start from this upper edge forward to this side. Okay, just adjust it and press down the paper. Just make a press at the central. Repeat the same for the other side. Right here, right? So do the same step. Press this right here. Okay, so now we have the intersection of this crease and the center crease. I'll turn the paper this way and I'll just fold this upper part down straight to this point and I press down the paper. Alright, and now I have the crease right here. On the following step, I will start from this upper edge forward to this crease. So now I have it here and I'm going to press down the paper. That is good. That is exactly what I need. Okay, so now we have this part of the paper. It looks just fine. On the following step, just flip the paper over, and now I will start from this upper part. I fold both sides of this upper part of this upper edge to the center crease. Alright, so just first to the center crease. Note that you should leave a small gap between the edge here and the center crease. So just do that and press down the paper. Once I finish this side, I am going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So just first straight there and press down the paper. Okay, so it's look just fine. This is what I have. Fine. On the following step, I'm going to fold this part to flip the paper over. Alright, so this is what I have. I'm going to fix the center crease, also this side. Make sure that there is no more creases. Now I'm going to flip the paper over and fix this again for this side as well. On the following step, very simple, I am going to fold this triangle shape part here down. So you have the triangle shape here. Just hold the paper up and fold it down. Okay, and fix this again because we don't want to have any creases on the paper. So I'm going to flip the paper over and fix the creases here as well. We don't want to see any crease here. Okay, also on this side as well. Okay, so that's the good. On the following step, I'm going to fold this part of the paper up. See that? I'm going to fold up here. I'll try to fold it straight to this edge right here. So this tip here goes straight up. Okay, right here. I'm going to press down the paper. And now I can flip the paper over, and I can start from this edge and first straight to the center crease. Okay. You can leave a small gap between the edge and the center crease. So first, before I do that step, I'm going to fix this part of the paper, and I flip it over again, and I fold it. I will make sure that this will go a bit deeper, so I can insert this part into the pocket here later. So just press this a little bit further, so push this a little bit further, and then press this down. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same for the opposite side. Now just press this down. If this doesn't look right, I can just adjust it. There we go. So I finished this side. Now the paper will look like this. See that? On the following step, I'm going to insert this tip into the pocket here. So curve it, and just hold the paper, curve and push it in. Very easy, very easy. Now I can adjust it here. Here we go. So that is what we have. This looks really good. Do not fold the paper in half. Alright, on the following step, I'm going to fold this edge of the paper up to create the stabilizer. So just fold straight up. Let's see. Oh yes, it is almost there. We need to do a few more steps to create the stabilizers. So I flip the paper over like this, and I'll start from this edge right here. I fold straight to the edge. You can see inner here. So I curve the paper and push this. This is a very important step. Alright, so make sure that you do it to make sure the blend will fly. So curve and push it here. It's just the paper. Alright, now I can fresh out the paper here. On the following step, I'm going to repeat the same fold. Okay, so I can just curve in and fresh this part of the paper. You can curve a little bit more. Okay, push in. We'll make sure that it stays there. If it's not, then you can push it in a little bit more, so both sides are even. Okay, adjust it like that too. Here we go. So I finished this size of the paper as well. Okay, now there are options. Let's press down and I'll show you the option. You can hold the paper airplane right here and check it out. If it doesn't fly, you can create the elevators, or you can hold it right here and throw the plant. Okay, so either this way or this way. I realize if you hold the plant right here, the plants tend to fly better, and this part of the paper is thicker to hold. So start from this place, hold the plant and throw it. Now on the following step, I'm going to show you guys how to create the stabilizers. For this blend, the stabilizer is very important. You can fold this part and this part of the wings to create a stabilizer. So hold the blend right here and fold it straight up like that. Just make a simple fold. Okay, once I finish this side, I'm going to fold the paper. I can't fold the paper in half, guys, because for this blend it doesn't work very well when I fold the paper in half. So I'm going to fold this part. Now you can use your finger as a reference to fold to create a stabilizer. This is very simple. Hold this and press this, and now we need to pop the central up. So pop it up, open it, open this side as well, and this is what we have. On the following step, I will show you guys how to draw the plan. Now you have the plans look like this. It's pretty cool, right? Now you can hoist right here, this upper part here, and just make a kick through. Okay, so this is a new paper airplane. I hope that you guys enjoy making this plane with me. Don't forget to like the video, click on the bell button, and share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Bye bye.